500 flying hours. Ladies and gentlemen, get those cameras ready. Flying in from the right and left, the two Apaches and the F-15SG will be executing an integrated maneuver within close proximity of each other. Watch as the F-15 pierces the formation with this hammerhead. This aerial display demonstrates the synergy of teamwork and professionalism, which enables the RCF to fight as an integrated and ready force.
Re-entering the show center from the front, we have the Apache attack helicopters, demonstrating their maneuvering capabilities. These mighty machines will execute the next maneuver at almost zero speed. Ladies and gentlemen, the tail sweep. Exiting the tail sweep, they will now descend and execute the shackle, a maneuver where both Apache helicopters passes each other.
While the aircrew dazzles with their spectacular maneuvers, behind the scenes is a dedicated and professional engineering team which maintains and prepares these fighting machines to ensure that they are always show ready.
And now, from your left and right, both the Apaches will demonstrate their firepower in an offensive environment. They begin by circling and keeping their target locked on its target acquisition system, while the other Apache provide fire support, unleashing a salvo of rockets from a high angle with this diving flight maneuver. RSAF pilots are trained to multitask while handling this highly sophisticated aircraft. These wing warriors incorporate their attained tactical knowledge into their daily training to stay